Yes, let's make use of formula method to solve quadratic equation in this question here. The question says solve using formula method. 3 over x plus 1 is equal to x minus 2 over 2. Ordinarily, this particular question we have here does not look quadratic, so we have to simplify it first. By simplifying it, we'll be able to make it to look quadratic. Okay, let's try it now. So when we have fraction in this two side, you can see that there's one fraction at this part. This is equal to sign, and there's other fraction at the other side here. What do we do? What we do here is that we'll cross multiply. That is x plus 1, x minus 2. That is what is here at the denominator here multiplied by what is at numerator here. Will be equal to what is here at the numerator here multiplied by the denominator of this side. 3 multiplied by 2. So we are having, let's expand this side. We are having x times x, x squared, x times minus 2, minus 2x, plus 1 times x, plus x, plus 1 times minus 2, that's minus 2. That will be equal to 6. This becomes x squared minus 2x plus x, that's what? Minus x. Minus 2 is equal to 6. So take this 6 to this side, becomes x squared minus x minus 2 minus 6 is equal to 0. I hope that is clear to you. Good. That becomes x squared minus x minus 2 minus 6. That will be minus 8 is equal to 0. In this regard now, we can be able to fish out that the value of our a, which is the coefficient of x squared, is equal to 1. That is plus 1 here. The coefficient of x squared. While the value of our b is the coefficient of x. B is equal to minus 1. It's minus 1. That is here. And our c is equal to minus 8. That is our constant that we have. Don't forget the formula that we use in that we call the formula for solving quadratic equation, which is x is equal to minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. That is the formula method that we all refer to as almighty formula. That is, I believe, is a layman language. So this becomes x is equal to minus, what is value of b? Minus 1 plus or minus root b squared, that's minus 1, bracket it square, minus 4, let's put that in bracket, all of them in bracket, 4 times a is what? 1, times c is what? Minus 8 over 2a, 2 multiplied by 1. So minus 1 times minus 1, that's what? 1. X becomes, x is equal to 1 plus or minus root minus 1 square. Minus 1 square, that will be equal to what? 1. Minus 4 times a is what? 1 times c is what? Minus 8. Put it in bracket. All over, oh, I'm repeating it. All over 2 times 1 is 2. So x becomes 1 plus or minus root 1 minus 4 times 1 times 8. 4 times 1, that is 4, times 8. That will be equal to 32. That is minus 32 over 2. So x become 1 plus or minus root 1 plus 32, that's 33 over 2. So x is going to be 1 plus root 33 over 2, or 1 minus root 33 over 2. That is the value of x right now. Let's now find the value of root 33 as we conclude our. Now the value of our root 33 is 5.74. So we are having 1 plus 5.74 over 2, or 1 minus 5.74 over 2. So x is going to be equal to 6.74 over 2, or minus 4.74 over 2. So let's look at that value as we do the now dividing the values. We are now having x is equal to 3.37 or minus 2.37. So that is approximately like that. That is the value of x that we get there. So we've been able to get the using the formula method to solve that quadratic equation. Note, there are some questions that will not look quadratic when they are given to you. So you should make sure that you have to apply the appropriate method in simplifying it first and make it look quadratic, then you continue using your method of solving it. Always make sure that you follow the instruction given to you. If you are asked to use any particular method, strictly use that method. Don't do otherwise, so that you'll be given a full mark. Thank you. Please do subscribe to this channel. Help us to subscribe. We will appreciate you, as we're going to give you more of how to solve mathematics. Mathematics made easy. This is the class. Thank you.